Well, good morning, my people of the tubes. Welcome to
It's Monday Mail Call.
Glad to see you came back to see what happened. I first want to let you know it's Monday Mail Call again. I've been locked up here at Camp Nightmare for 3 weeks today, and the U.S. Postal Service has finally caught up with me. So therefore, I need to, one, say an anonymous thank you. Twice. Two of my viewers, and I'm not going to give their names, I've received letters from each. Gentlemen, thank you. I will simply state that one is from Attleboro, Massachusetts, and the other from down in Pennsylvania, Latrobe, I think it said. Your letters were appreciated. Very nice. But the reason I bring you here today, other than that, is one of the items in my mail call, something I believe I ordered. And I'll tell you why I ordered it, if this is what I think it is. I had one of these. Yeah, I know, you're going to say, Emberado, we're tired of hearing you mentioning that damn truck. I had one in my Ram. It was burned down in 2012. And you know what they say, if you don't use it, you'll lose it, skills-wise. I like to keep my hand in my skills, and little leather wallet. Oh, it's smaller than I thought. This is not the same one I had. This is one of the invisible locks. This is an entirely different kind of spec than what I was accustomed to. Some of you are going to maybe recognize this. Well, how the hell does this damn thing open? Because this is not the same one I had. What this is a lock pick practice set. There it goes. One of the arthritic hands. I couldn't get the pop to pop. There we go. Now you can see it. It's one of the ghost locks. Now, what I mean by ghost locks is the lock body is see-through. So you can actually see the tumblers work when you're working the lock. Aside from the fact that the body of the lock is so bloody tiny, identical style, just small version. And then, of course, the little leather wallet that goes with it, full of the tools of the trade. I used to be pretty handy with these kind of things. I'm going to have to get back in practice. Goodness gracious, there's a pile of them in there, huh? I'll just have to make sure that my friends on the constabulary don't see me with them. Because here in this state, just possession of these can get you 3 to 5. But you know what? I'm not all that worried about it. So, from here at Prison Smithy, for the next 3 weeks, that's Monday Mail Call. As I was sitting here, going through mail call, I was interrupted because my lunch was brought to me. So I've just opened this kit up. I thought I'd give you a shot at looking at this. Just so you can see, this is actually a working lock with keys, okay? It's probably the last time I'll ever use that key. Here's how this works, and let me tell you, it's been a number of years since I've done this. That's why I went and got a new one, because I need to keep my hand in practice. Oh, goodness gracious, come on. I got the tension wrench in the right place. Oh. So it's been a number of years. Because my last time I practiced this was prior to June of 2012. And my other one was burned. Come on. Oh. My hands are just killing me. Because this is such a small lock. There we go. I think I've got it. Yeah, well, my tension wrench slipped. Nope, there it is. Just like that, boys and girls. Not difficult at all. But as I say, I'm just a little out of practice, too. So that was the point of getting this, so I could get my hands back into the swing of it. It's not a tough thing to learn, boys and girls. As a matter of fact, it is something I used to teach as a regular prospect in my survival classes. Because if we ever come down to a crap hit stand situation, this is a skill set you really should own. Because you never know when it might help you get in out of a foul weather situation or escape marauders or whatever. Just suffice to say, it's a skill that you should own all on your own. Cheers. And there are going to be some people going to say, how much did you pay for that set, Embarado? I think I gave 10 or 12 bucks for it. Yeah, the price was too inviting. I guess that's why I got such a tiny little ghost lock. But you know what? I still got it for the skill. Now, I'm thinking I'm not going to bother using this for this lock and key set, but I think that little case is going to be very handy.
By the way, don't forget to